Hello dear students, welcome you all to this new English class today. In our previous class, we have already discussed about adjectives and different kinds of adjectives. Today, we will know about a determiner, that is article, and in this topic, we will know about the use of a or an. Okay, let's start the class now. The articles. Basically, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. We know that adjectives modify nouns. They are describing words that we know it. In English grammar, we can find two kinds of articles. Number one, definite article. Number two, indefinite articles. Definite article is the. The is definite article, and indefinite articles are up to. One is a and the other is an. A or an. They are indefinite articles. Okay. In this class, we will know only about the indefinite articles a or an. It is called indefinite because the person or thing it refers to is left indefinite or unspecified. It is very important to remember that these indefinite articles a or an are used only before singular countable nouns. A cow, an apple, a cow. A cow means one cow, singular. An apple, that means one apple, that is also singular. Now we will know the use of a. We use a before the singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. A horse, a mango, a bottle, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note. Here horse begins with the letter H and it sounds ha. Ha is a consonant sound, so here we have used a before it. University. The word university begins with the letter U, that is vowel, but we have used here a because this vowel U sounds a consonant sound, that is why we have used here a before university. Okay. Similarly, we can take a European. The word European begins with the letter, that is vowel E, and the word sounds with a consonant sound, that's why we have used a. Similarly, we can take the other words. So it is clear that singular countable noun begins with a consonant sound, takes the article a before it. Okay. Next, we can use the article a before names of professions. For example, Mr. Sahu is a doctor. Doctor is a profession. Doctor, teacher, farmer, they are professions. So, Mr. Sahu is a doctor. Article a has been used before the word doctor. Similarly, Sangeeta is a student. Student is also a profession. That's why here we have used the article a before it. We can say a farmer, a teacher, a plumber, a thief, etc. Next, we use a before a singular countable noun to refer to a class of some animals, trees, etc. Here you see a cow is a domestic animal. A cow. A cow means all cows. We can also use here the cow. The cow is a domestic animal. Okay. Next, a coconut tree grows very tall. A coconut tree, that means all coconut trees. It refers to a class of tree. A coconut tree, a mango tree, a neem tree. We can use a before a class of tree. Next, we can use the article a before a particular lunch, dinner or breakfast. For example, we had a nice dinner yesterday. I did not have a breakfast. Here we have used a before breakfast. Okay. Here it has been mentioned dinner yesterday and breakfast today. Dinner yesterday, breakfast today. Particular dinner and particular breakfast. Not the dinner of any other day or not the breakfast of any other day. Next point, we would know article a is used with numbers, units of weight or measure. This is a 100 rupee note. It denotes number. 100. It denotes a number. It refers to a number 100. Sugar sells 30 rupees a kilo. A kilo refers to units of weight. A kilo. I spend a half of my income on his study. A half of my income. Here it measures the amount. Next, A is generally used not before uncountables, but A is used before a particular quantity and a particular kind of thing. Again I am repeating, A is used before a particular quantity and a particular kind of thing. Here we can see some examples. Number 1, please come here and have a tea. Have a tea. Here a tea means a cup of tea. That is a particular quantity. Similarly, will you like to have a chocolate now? A chocolate means a bar of chocolate. Number 3, he likes a white wine. A white wine, that refers to a particular thing. Next, we would know the use of A. A is used before few and little. When A is used before few and little, it changes their meanings. Few, a few. Little, a little. Here you mark the examples. Few members were in the meeting. That means it refers to in negative sense. It refers to no member was in the meeting. That means no one was in the meeting. A few members were in the meeting. That is positive in sense. Similarly, we can say little, a little. There is little water in the jug. That means there is no water in the jug. If we say there is a little water in the jug, that means jug is not totally empty. A little is positive in sense. Now we will know the use of an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. We know that the letters A, E, I, O, U, they are vowels. When we were beginners, we have learnt that an is used before vowels. But today, we know that an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound, not vowel letter. You should mark the sound, how it is pronounced. You see the examples: an apple, an acre, an inkpot, an orphan, an orange. Apple, acre, inkpot, orphan, orange. These words begins with vowels. These words also begin with vowel sounds. An apple. Apple begins with a vowel sound. Acre, inkpot, orphan, orange, they are all begin with vowel sound. That's why we have used an before these words. Okay. Then you see it has been written an hour. An hour. H-O-U-R. The word has been written from a consonant letter H. But the sound is silent here. An honest man. An honest man. Similarly, an MLA. Okay. An hour, an honest man, an MLA. Hour, honest man, MLA. These words begin with a vowel sound. That's why an is used before them. Dear students, here is an activity for you. Put a or an in the blank spaces. Number 1, iron is blank useful metal. Here, useful begins with U, a vowel letter, but it sounds like consonant, not a vowel. It does not make a vowel sound. That's why the right answer will be a useful metal. Iron is a useful metal. Number 2, she bought blank dozen eggs. Simply, we can use a dozen eggs. Number 3, we should respect blank honest man. Here, honest, the first letter H is silent here and it sounds vowel. That's why we can use an honest man. We should respect an honest man. Number 4. The bill was passed by blank unanimous vote. The word begins with a consonant sound. As it begins with a consonant sound, we should use a unanimous vote. The bill was passed by a unanimous vote. Okay. Number 5. Switzerland blank European country. Here the right answer will be Switzerland is a European country. Word European makes consonant sound, not vowel sound. As it makes consonant sound, that's why we should use a before it. So the right answer will be Switzerland is a European country. Next, number 6. Captain Naik is blank NCC officer. NCC officer begins with N consonant letter, but it makes vowel sound. As it makes a vowel sound, the rule is here we should use an before it. So the right answer will be Captain Naik is an NCC officer. Okay, dear students, I think you have understood it well. How did you like this class? Please write your comments on the comment box. You can also give your suggestions. I will come with a new topic in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching this class. Thanks.